Well, we are really excited here at Gagne Farms this morning. Last night we got our chick order in, and we have 40 meat birds coming and 20 layers coming. And we also ordered some that were unsexed, so we would get a couple roosters. And this is all a new experience for us, but we're really excited, and I am actually going to TSC today to pick up a few things that we still need before our chicks come. And I'm about to call the post office and let them know that we have chicks arriving. So I'm going to give them a call and let them know, and give them my phone number, and hopefully we'll be getting a call soon, and then we'll keep you updated and show you our new little addition to Gagne Farms. Well, here I am at TSC. I need to get some baby chick feeders, and I wanted to get them while things are still open. I just went to Walmart to get some milk, and they are only open from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. now. And I've heard rumor that things are going to close up for good. So just trying to get my ducks in a row, make sure I have the necessities. Trying not to panic buy, but we do have chicks coming, hopefully still. So I am going to be getting the feeders that I need. Tell them what we're doing.
Okay, so we got our chicken stuff from TSC, and we're about to go to the store to get some groceries. Bye.
Well, we've made quite the run. We got the bag full, don't we, Soph? Yep, we got our buckets for our chicks when they come. We got some charcoal to cook on the grill. We got a gallon of milk that was one of 3 gallons left that I paid $6 for. It is organic milk, so, but we were completely out, so I actually had to buy it. So if Sophie had her way and we had our goat, that wouldn't be an issue, would it, Soph? So she's enjoying a nice sugary treat of Peeps. We don't have any hand sanitizer either, and obviously there's none in the store, but once upon a time we had gotten these moist towelettes from McDonald's, and they were still sitting in my car, so we are using those to clean our hands now that we got out of the store. And we're gonna head home, take care of our stuff. Right, baby? Good morning, YouTube. It is March 19th, 2020, here at Gagne Farms. We got a teenager sleeping, we got some YouTube watching going on in my room with the girls. Looks like the cat's getting a little breakfast there. And I have already been out and about. Eric's at work. His work has not shut down yet. I thought that I would just share some videos. It's kind of different than what we normally do. Normally we show you what we're doing or making or whatever, but with times the way they are, I thought it would be interesting to do some vlog style and just kind of keep you posted on what we're doing here at Gagne Farms, and maybe you can relate. Give us a comment if you are doing the same things or have anything to comment to us, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I've been out and about already this morning. Rumors are that things are going to get even tighter and more shutdowns coming soon, so not that I'm a crazy panicker or prepper, although I feel a lot like a prepper lately, but I wanted to make sure that our family had some things that we do need if we are completely quarantined to our house here coming soon, which we had been pretty stocked up on some things and didn't have a lot to worry about to begin with, but there were a couple things that I needed to get, and so I went out and did that this morning. So my first stop was to Walmart, and I went early enough that they actually had milk, toilet paper, bread, some of those things that we haven't been able to get. So I got a pack of toilet paper and a gallon of milk and a few other things. I was really thankful to be able to get, and also tried to be civically responsible and only get what we needed. enough for everybody. Another stop that I needed to make today was at TSC. I stopped there and gosh, the nicest guy was working there and he was super helpful. This is our first experience with getting chicks, so it was really helpful for the things he had to tell me. He raises his own chickens, so he really was knowledgeable. And what we had gotten the other day was nowhere near enough for what we need for as many chicks as we got. We have 70 chicks coming. So I had to get some more feed and some more pine flakes for their bedding. Also, when I had ordered feeders, I had ordered like large feeders, and so I don't think those would be suitable for when we're going to put them in the bins in the house, at least for the first week. So I got some of these little baby chick feeders, just for the beginning, just for starting out. I'm really hoping that we're going to get our chicks. I called the post office today and they weren't there yet, but they took my number. Really nice guy working there too. I really have to give a shout out and kudos to all the people who are still out there working during all of this and being kind to people and having patience. It's not easy, and I really respect all those people out there still working. So thank you.
Hey guys, we got our tops for our brooders that we're going to use inside. We're going to put the baby chicks in just a couple totes. So we need to be able to cut a hole in this so we can get our heat lamps over top of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut out this inside portion here, and then I'm going to put some hardware cloth over top, and then we can set our lights, our heat lamps over top of that hardware cloth. I think I'm going to drill a few holes and just kind of stitch some wire and stitch that cloth down. So I'm going to attempt to just cut this out with my trusty old knife. I have no idea if this is going to work. So I just got a 2x12 here that I'm going to cut on. We came outside because you can't see anything in the barn when we try to record. So we noticed that on our chicken tractor build. So all right, I'm going to give this a shot. If this doesn't work, we're going to have to go to plan B. So. Bad idea.
Alright, well, what's a better idea?
So as you can see, the knife didn't work, so we went to the jigsaw here. This seems to be working out pretty good. Sophie said I should have my safety glasses on. I agreed.
Probably right.
Good morning. We got one more step done ready for our chicks today. Sophie helped me put the pine shavings into the buckets. Last night, Eric cut out the tops of the buckets and put wire mesh on it for us. Still debating about these heat lamps. I'm not sure if setting them on the wire is the best idea. We may use some command strips and hang them right here. I'm not really sure. We're still kind of hashing that out, contemplating what to do. But we are just waiting for our phone call from the post office, aren't we?
Yes, I'm so excited to get 70 chickens. Or chicks, baby chicks.
Yep, we're ready for them, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, you two. This is Candace from Gagne Farms. I'm up and ready. At 5 o'clock this morning, Eric got a notification that our chicks had arrived at the post office. So they haven't called us yet, but he woke me up and I jumped up right away and got around, and he went back to sleep. So now I'm the only one up. But I'm so excited. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning. This is so weird. But I guess I needed a little bit of excitement. So it's kind of fun. So I'm up getting some coffee, and I'm gonna get the chicks water and food ready and get the heat lamps on, and hopefully the post office will be opening and calling soon. What day is it?
Friday.
It's
Chicken day.
there you go.
1, 2, 3. It's Chicken Day! We are on our way to go get our chickens! Bye-bye! We are so excited!
You are over the top excited, but we're like medium excited. It's 70 chickens. That's a lot.
That's a lot of chickens. We can't wait to meet our chicks. We'll introduce you when we get there.
Hey, hey.
What do you got, Sophie?
Chickens. I don't know how many,
Chickens.
but we got chickens.
Do you need help?
I'm stuck on the mat. No, never
Careful.
mind. I need help. I don't think so.
In go the chickens.
Oh my god. I see the yellow ones.
Yeah. There they are, chickies. Let's close them up and get them warm. What do you think? Meep, meep. We got the chickens.
Walk, walk.
I see so many yellow ones just curling up.
Are they?
Probably cold too.
Yeah, they're probably cold. Let's get that heat cranking.
They're so cute.
They're very chirpy.
Yes. Let there be light for the chickens.
Sam?
Is that Dino?
All right, we're locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded, chicken holder.
Here come the chicks.
Alright, where you putting which ones?
Yes, and then the chickens.
No, we're not gonna cut a chicken's head off.
Yeah, I was about to say. The black ones.
Holy moly.
Oh my god, it's staring at me. Oh,
Oh, hi.
I scared some of the yellow.
Okay.
I think the yellow ones are laying first. Do I just grab one? I'm scared they're gonna
Yeah.
peck me.
They're not gonna peck you.
Should I grab a black one?
Yeah.
Mom, oh my god! Where's the cat?
Don't drop it.
Let me get over here because you guys are all.
Try the
water. Yep.
Oh, he did it. Can I get a black one?
No, they're not. That one was just screaming.
6, 7, because I already got one and I didn't.
Grab him.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
The birds are gonna unpeck me.
They're not gonna peck you.
Took food out of it.
I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. I did it by myself.
Good job. So
Get out of the box by myself.
good.
Oh, this one's all scared in the corner.
I got the last one.
Was he the last one?
I got the last one.
All right.
Another one.
That's what you got. Okay, now you gotta count them.
Water.
Seem to be doing fine. We didn't lose any in mail, so that's good. There's 70 chickens in my living room. Hey, hey.
There's 70 chickens in my living room! There's 70 chickens in my living room!
The quarantine has gotten to us all.
We've had our chickens here on Gagne Farms for 3 days. We're doing great with them. We expanded our setup in the living room because we had too many in each bin. We got our makeshift screens here, pretty ingenious, I do say. We also had to Sam-proof them. This is Sam. We had to bungee cord him down last night because he learned how to get into them, so we had to protect him there. But the animals have done well with them inside, and we smell like one big chicken coop here in our living room. So we'll be moving them outside into the barn shortly. So watch for our next video where we show you how we set our big brooder up.
Hey guys, if you enjoyed this video, give us a like.
Comment.
Subscribe.
Don't forget to share.
Hey guys, if you get a minute, take a look down our show notes below. We have a link to our newly created website. Take a look and tell us what you think.
We really appreciate all of our subscribers and our friends out there. Thank you for visiting us on Gagne Farms. We're trying to reach out and make more connections and meet more new people. And so check us out on our Instagram page, Gagne Farms on Instagram, and our Facebook page.
Yep, we'll leave links down in the show notes below. Thanks for watching, guys.